Jammu and Kashmir Awami Action Committee and other Hurriyat leaders and organizations have paid rich tributes to the martyrs of July 13, 1931 on their martyrdom anniversary in occupied Kashmir. AAC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, recalled the sacrifices and paid tributes to the martyrs of 13 July 1931 and to all the martyrs who have sacrificed their lives for the realization of the aspirations and rights of the struggling people of Jammu and Kashmir since then. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter held a protest demonstration outside the Indian High Commission in Islamabad today to pay homage to the martyrs of July 13, 1931. APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar led the protest demonstration. The speakers reiterated the Kashmiris' resolve to continue the freedom struggle till complete success. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency, along with Indian paramilitary personnel, raided several houses in different areas of the South Kashmir districts. The NIA and paramilitary forces on Thursday barged into the houses of the people across South Kashmir, demanding their right to self-determination. Students' wing of the Tehreek-e-Shabab al-Muslimin, under the leadership of its chairman Riaz Ahmed Awan, organized Kashmir Martyrs Conference in Muzaffarabad today to pay tribute to the Kashmiri martyrs of July 13, 1931 on their martyrdom anniversary. The conference was presided over by the Central Chief Organizer Nasir Mir and Chief Organizer Students' Wing Faizullah Durrani. Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir, in collaboration with the International Forum of Justice, organized a rally in Muzaffarabad today to pay tributes to the martyrs of 13 July 1931. The rally was led by Pasbane Hurriyat Chairman Uzair Ahmed Ghazali. The speakers addressing the rally said despite the passage of several decades, the Kashmiri people have not forgotten the martyrs of July 13, 1931. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah and Vice President Umar Abdullah have paid glowing tributes to the 22 martyrs of 13 July 1931 on their martyrdom anniversary. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah and Umar Abdullah, in their messages in Srinagar, highlighting the selfless sacrifices of the martyrs, said 13 July 1931 was a watershed moment in the history of Kashmir. An Indian army man was killed in an accidental fire in the Poonch district of the occupied Kashmir. The 24-year-old Indian army man was killed in an accidental discharge of his weapon along the line of control at Noorkot in the Poonch district. Azad Jammu and Kashmir President Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhary has urged the Kashmiri people to intensify their efforts at the international level to resolve the long-pending Kashmir dispute. Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhary, while talking to the delegations of Kashmiri migrants from Norway, America and Britain in Islamabad, highlighted the worsening political situation and human rights violations by the Indian troops in the occupied Kashmir.